Hey internet. So the code is in the pinned comment. It's also in the description for GitHub. So what this code is, it converts a wave audio file of Morse code, and then it decodes it, transforms it into text, and saves it as a Word document. Now it works 99%. There is a 1% issue where it does not decode the apostrophe, which is weird. I tried a lot of research, Google, Stack Overflow, ChatGPT. None of it could fix it. So if you know how to fix it, leave a comment down below. I think it has something to do with the signal analysis. I'm not too sure. I'm not an electrical engineer, but I think it's something to do with the waveform. It doesn't pick it up for some reason. That's the extent that I know. I don't know how to fix it. But without further ado, we'll just run the code and show you. And before I type in the file, I'll show you the file. You may want to lower your volume settings because when I click on test 1, you're going to hear some Morse code beeps and boops that are quite loud, so just turn your volume down just a little bit. So volume warning now. Okay, that was just to show you that it works. So if we copy the file path and then I really dislike this quotation mark when you copy the path. Okay, so it's decoded, so please subscribe to Suemon's channel. So 117, it's, if you play Halo, you know what it is, right? So, or should I say who it is? Okay, so next step is save it in a location. So we'll just save it here as, let's say 117.docx. Okay, save. Takes a few seconds, and if we check our folder, there we go, and let's open it up. Yeah, so Morse code. Please subscribe to my channel. So it works. It just, as you can see, it's missing the apostrophe, so it should be this. That's the actual message, but it gets the point across. For some reason, it just does not pick up the apostrophe, which I think is fine. If you're doing Morse code, I don't think you're going to be using apostrophes too often. Okay, so thanks for watching. I have no idea how to fix this apostrophe issue, and it even comes up with an issue, but I don't know. Okay. So thanks for watching. Hope you had a great day. Be sure to like, subscribe, share with your friends, ring the bell, turn on all notifications. Leave a comment below if you know how to fix it, or if you're a Halo enjoyer. Until next time, see ya.